In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube videos with Sora 2. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Sora 2 can help you bring your creative visions to life with ease. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to begin by entering your prompt. This is where you describe the scene or character you want to bring to life in your video. Picture it this way. You're painting a picture with words, so be as descriptive as you can. For example, let's imagine a black cat playing with a ball of yarn on a wooden floor. You'd want to make sure it's depicted with dynamic motion and captured in a bright, clear scene. This detailed description helps Sora 2 understand exactly what you want to create, setting the stage for a video that's both visually engaging and true to your vision. Once you've got your prompt ready, the next step is to choose the right format for your video. Since you're making a YouTube video, you'll want to select landscape mode. YouTube videos are widescreen, adhering to a 16:9 ratio, which is ideal for capturing detailed scenes and making sure they look great on screens of all sizes. This step is crucial for maintaining the professional quality of your content, ensuring the visuals are optimized for the platform. After setting your format, it's time to generate the video. In this step, Sora 2 will use the information and parameters you've set to create your video. As it processes your input, take a moment to review the video that's generated. This is where you can assess whether your vision is accurately translated into the final product. If necessary, don't hesitate to adjust your prompt. Sometimes small tweaks can make a significant difference in how the scene comes to life. Feel free to refine your description or alter specific details to better align with what you have in mind. Remember, creativity is a process, and fine-tuning is a natural part of ensuring your video is just right. Sora 2 provides a platform for you to experiment with different ideas until you're fully satisfied with the outcome. With just a few adjustments, your vision can evolve into a polished and professional-looking video that's ready to captivate your audience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, Sora 2 empowers you to create stunning and personalized YouTube content with ease. Whether it's capturing the playful nature of a cat or any other scene you imagine, this tool is designed to make the creative process seamless and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy video making.